Carolina South.
Yeah! There's only one place in the whole universe you need to beat around off your 4th of July the right way. And that's at the all-new Club Pluto, formerly Kamari's Bar and Grill. Because the Wall Entertainment proudly presents the all-new Astronaut Chick Wednesday, the official ladies' night of the 843. Doors up at about 10, and we letting all sexy ladies in free all night long. Yeah, that's right, it goes down each and every Wednesday night at the all-new Club Pluto for the all-new Astronaut Chick Wednesday, where ladies are free all night long every Wednesday night. You already know we gonna have some of the craziest drink specials floating around all night long. Conducting the soundtrack for this motion picture this Wednesday night. South Cat #1 video DJ Lord Jazz and the ambassador trap DJ Sean John. So come party at the all-new Plushed Out, newly renovated and now under new management, the all-new Club Pluto, formerly Kamari's Bar and Grill, located on 1230 Red Bank Road in Goose Creek, South Cat. So you already know we going to the moon this Wednesday night for the official grand opening of the all-new Astronaut Chick Wednesdays at the all-new Club Pluto. For more info on VIP and directions, contact 803-378-0689. It's all been brought to you by Because of Wall Entertainment.